Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ukulike nokushare nokubuka ama-advert for your sister. So guys, kule video ngicela sikhulume lapha ngodaba lukaBhuti Mapapuzi emva kokuthi adlule emhlabeni. Kwavela lapha nomama ababili you guys. I think mina ngezwe kukhulunywa ke ngonkosikazi wakhe obengathi akasekho empilweni yakhe. Kwathiwa ubengasekho empilweni yakhe for 2 years. Waseyaqhamuka lapha kwakhulunywa ukuthi ubefike laphana nonhlahla laksi mangifunda kwesinye story ukuthi kune drama ka funeral phala obengonkosikazi kaMapapuzi efika nonhlahla laksi something like that. So now sengididekile ngoba laphana kukhulunywa ukuthi babili omama baqhamuke laphana ekushoneni kaMapapuzi bonke bangamakhosikazi kaMapapuzi. I do not know if there is an ex-wife and a current wife, something like that. Angazi ngibone kudidekiwe kakhulu abantu bethi hawo guys, like, so there are 2 wives there. I think I don't know 2 wives omhlambo omunye ubaby mama into ikanjalo kwamina ngiye ngazifica ngididekile you guys. Laphana so bakhuluma lapha nestory bathi indida ke lapha you guys ngesithembu sika Mapapuzi ube nesithembu noma mhlawumbe ube ne relationship yaphela kwase kuba khona omunye uthe masedlule emhlabeni bonke bobabili baba khona. Angazi you guys laphana kwenzekeni kodwa kuthi bebabili odade laphana ugogo kaMapapuzi evukwa umunyu ngesikhathi kukhunjula kumzukulu wakhe laphana you guys ngugogo kaMapapuzi lwana simbona lapha nesithombeni kwaze kwakube singathi umoya kaMapapuzi ungalala ngokuthula you guys asiphumulele usedlulile emhlabeni. Sokusala ke sokukhulunywa ke ngalabo abasele emuva nedrama yonke yenzekayo and all the stuff njengoba ke kulesi story kukhulunywa ukuthi indida ke lapha kuqhamuka odada ababili bonke their wives okukhona girlfriend something with a baby mama angazi bafethu. Asiyodabeni sibone ngoba this is not about me, this is by Nkululeko Nhlapho you guys. Kukhulunywa ke ngodaba ke lwabo dada ababili laba kuthiwa ke lapha kudideka abaningi emngcwabeni omculo ke weKwaito uSandile Mapapuzi Ngwenya owabona umdlalo kamabona kude kuvela ke eyamakhosikazi amabili. So inkonzo kaMapapuzi nje lapha eDlamini Multipurpose Center Hall eSoweto wabekwa eWest Park Heroes Egg ngomgqibelo. Inkonzo yomngcwabe ibiholwa kumlingisi lapha uMutlasi Mafathi othuleke abasifazane ababili ubachaze njengamakhosikazi walomculi wengoma ethi Izinja. So bobabili bachaze njengamakhosikazi wakhe. So I do not know, maybe there's an ex-wife or whatever. So ke intokazi yokuqala ethuliwe yabizwa ukudlulisa amazwi okuvalelisa kumyeni uNithi Nhlapho you guys. I think nguye ukuthi wavela nonhlanhla lax okuvela ukuthi ngunkosikazi kaMapapuzi ayesiqhelelene naye. Yes, because they did say estranged wife, okay, ubeseqhelelane naye but waqhamuka ke lapho ubhuti mayiselele something like that. So uNikhi ke bophelekezelwa ke izingane zakhe uzwakalise ubuhlungu ethi ke wayengazi ukuthi uzoyibamba yedwa indima yokukhulisa izingane ngesikhathi lapho zivuleka amehlo. Uthando lwethu uhlanganisa iminyaka engu21 kulonyaka kanti umbalenhle yena ke ukumatriculate and something like that abantwana bakaBhuti Mapapuzi abakunithi Nhlapho something like that. So angazi you guys uthando lwethu uhlanganisa iminyaka u21 kanti umbalenhle yena ukumatriculate kwathiwa singazenza izinhlelo zethu kodwa uNkulunkulu yena kuphela umhlelo omkhulu kube yisonto elinzima leli ezinganeni. Izingane zikaNhlapho ke zichaze uyise njengomuntu obenamancoko enothando futhi ezeseka ziveze ukuthi ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi zaqonda ukuthi kungani uyise wayengabibikho ngezinsuku zabo zokuzalwa ngezinye izikhathi kuma birthdays wabo something like that. Kuthe eqeda uNhlapho ke you guys nezingane zakhe kwabizwa ke omunye wesifazane okwathiwa nguyena unkosikazi kaNgwenya uDiyenkentseni Ayola. Lentokazi ikubeke kwacaca ukuthi nguye yedwa unkosikazi kaMapapuzi kwathula kwathi cwake emncwabe. So uthe ukubeke yena kwacaca laphana uDiyenkentseni wathi mina ngedwa unkosikazi kaMapapuzi asazi mhlambe she was just wanted to put a statement there ukuthi lawyer she's the ex, I am the wife, something like that you guys. Kuthi kubeke kwacaca you guys ukuthi ngiyedwa unkosikazi kaMapapuzi kwavele kwathula kwathi cwaka lapha emncabeni. uAyola uqhubeke wathi uzoqinisekisa ukuthi umlando kaMapapuzi uyawuqhubeza something like that. Angazi beqhubeka you guys besingekho. Umyeni wami ube ngubaba wesizwe okungenza ngibe umama wesizwe. Ngizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ifa lake liyaqhubeka. Ngingathanda ukuveza uthando lwami olujulile ngaye futhi ngizoqhubeka ngenza njalo uyohlala eyisithanda sami engeza laphana ke uAyola you guys. Angazi laphana bekwenze kuthiwa baqhamuke baba babili. So I was like, shoot, omunye is an ex. I think maybe they were not divorced, Nonithi Nhlapo. Or they were divorced because ubikwe njengonkosikazi wakhe, right? I think mhlambe bebe separately bengaka-divorce. I'm just saying, allegedly, okay. U-Ayola, maybe they were married, ngoba angizwa la kukhulunywa ngengane zika-Ayola, kukhulunywa ngengane zika-Nithi Nhlapo. Esezikhulile ngathi enye ina 21 enye ku-matric abasho ngeminyaka yakhe bathe ku-matric kuphela, you guys. Then ingane zika-Ayola angizwanga ngazo kule story abazibhalanga, you guys, something like that. Kodwa ke ngabona abantu bekhuluma ukuthi awu 2 wives, something like that. But I don't think he was a polygamist. I think njengoba kushiwo ukuthi noNithi Nhlapo they were separate, ubengasekho empilweni yakhe for 2 years. So ke ubese no Ayola. So singazi ukuthi uAyola ube nezingane zikaBhuti uMapaputsi noma ube bengakabi nezingane noma zikhona just ukuthi asikhulunyiwe lapha into ezikanjalo, you guys, because I saw this story even ka Sunday World, you guys, kukhulunywa ukuthi drama there in Mapaputsi's funeral as 2 wives come forward. Ngathi yibo 2 wives, I think bebekumele basho ukuthi an estranged wife and a current wife, something like that. Angazi bafedi kodwa kusalayo uBhuti yena akazilalele ngokuthula. I think kuye kwaqhamuka nje laphana umama wezingane, asibeke kanjalo, you guys, ebebengasekho bonke kodwa ke bazele bonke, waseza naye laphana, you guys, ezomela ingane zakhe, something like that. Sizothini, you guys, sengathi ke kungangabi na drama or anything, kube ukuthi nje ubezile ezohlonipha njengoba ke uBhuti bedlulile emhlabeni. Kwasho ukuthi kukhona lo sekhona into ekanjalo. Asibonge, you guys, ukuthi ubuke video, ulike, usubscribe, ushare, siphinde sihlangane njalo kwenye elandelayo. Bye.